What's up, guys? Now bring you another YouTube video. Today we're gonna do a car video. So I'm basically gonna drive fast and then let her drive to get her reaction and stuff like that. Tell the people your name.
Michaela.
Yeah. Her Instagram gonna be her
Yeah.
Instagram will be somewhere right here.
Yeah.
You know. And then that's mostly gonna be it, the video. You ready? It like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. When I found out that, I was like, oh my goodness. It really feel like like you dropping.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Do it again. Another round like that. Oh my goodness. I go faster. I go faster. It's like a roller coaster. I don't know why it feel like that. Just feel.
You feel it in your stomach?
Yeah. You feel it all in my head. When I first did it, I was like, I got so scared. I was like, oh my goodness. Because I just thought, I was like, it's just a long road. I'm just going to go. And they caught me.
Yeah, you wasn't expecting it.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it at all. And I was like, I was swerving it. I did all this. I was like, oh my goodness. That shit was crazy. Having fun so far?
Yeah.
Is like you expected? Or a little bit unknown?
Huh?
Is like how you expect or a little bit not?
Not sure. I wasn't expecting anything.
Not anything?
I'm just waiting stability. You know? I can do that? Okay.
You got it or me? I'm gonna say ready, set, and then go. Alright. Ready, set, go. You caught me off the jump.
No, ain't no, bro. This is a Panamera. You smoking something. You definitely ain't seeing this. Not with that. You must be smoking. I'm seeing you another
caught me off the jump. All right.
What?
Are we both backing up?
I can't.
I'm not gonna have to go find another place to get a donut. You mess up a fucking donut spot. What's wrong with these niggas? You think he love over there?
Probably. That's why he was acting all crazy.
You think he the only one with a gun? Now you gonna do it. One time I record and do it at the same time. You do one time with no recording. I should do. I can do it right.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of smoke.
You know what's scary? It's gonna like mess up your tires.
Yeah, it is. It's gonna mess up my tires. I already know that shit. Do you smell it?
Yes.
Look at the smoke. I was recording too.
That was fun.
That was pretty nice. Do you smell it too?
Yes.
Wow.
That smell is more bearable than like fresh cut grass. just I hate the smell of fresh car.
What about gas then?
Gas? I don't know if it's weird, but I like the smell of gas.
It smells like it's inside the car. Bad down the windows. Having fun so far?
Yeah, I'm
I
it's
know.
I should learn how to do this.
Oh yeah, I can show you. Hold up.
Whoa. Show me how to do that.
Get done it. God, I'm glad you said something. Okay, mostly you're gonna do. What feet you drive with? You're gonna need both feet.
Both?
Yep, you're gonna need both feet.
Don't look at my teeth. Okay.
It look nice.
So.
Okay, your left feet on the brakes, and then your right feet on the gas. But you have to press the brakes more than the gas.
Okay.
Did that make sense?
Yeah.
But it's kind of like a balance thing, because you can't put the brake all the way down, but the gas you can put all the way down, and then turn the car any way you want. Just keep it that way. That's mostly it. Okay, but move up.
Go slow?
Yeah, you go slow and move up a little bit. You have to hold this thing down. All right.
It's gonna turn while I'm slow. Going slow.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Hold the brakes down. Hold the brakes. Hold the brakes. Push down. Yeah. Yeah. Keep your not all the way down. Don't put the brake all the way down. Yeah. No, a little bit more. Get off it a little bit. All right. Now hit the gas. But turn the car. Yeah. Yeah. You doing it already?
All the way?
Yeah. Oh, do it. Now you're in a bad angle now. You can't do it now. You can't be that scared, girl. Come on. All right, turn it right. Go that way. Turn it, like, get it like a good angle. Okay. Yeah, now do it. Yep. Now, yeah, hit the gas. Now, come on. Yeah, you doing it. You doing it. Keep doing it. Do it. Oh, I see you too scared.
Like if I was in my car, maybe stop my car. You know.
You too scared. You was kind of doing it a little bit.
Okay, yeah, I get the.
All right,
the
so
gist.
what? Drive fast now, or you want to do it again?
Drive fast now.
Okay. You can drive fast now. You go drive down this road.
Just this one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's great.
Ooh, I need me one of these.
You barely hitting it.
Okay.
You gotta turn. You barely hitting it, girl.
I just need me one.
You barely hitting it.
You want me to turn around?
Yeah, turn around. You have to put your feet down.
All right, now
Having fun so far? I know. I'm having fun too. Had an amazing time.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'm a little scared to go this way. Like this way. So you want me to push it down?
Yeah, push it down. Oh,
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
This is fun. We should go on the highway.
Oh, yeah, go on the highway then.
No, you gotta go first.
We can take it on the highway.
Nah, I don't want you to get a ticket.
If we don't risk it, we can't, no biscuit.
Okay.
All right, drive out there. Drive out there.
Drive out.
Yep.
Put your seatbelt on.
Oh, God. Girl smiling like that? Oh, my goodness. And you look so gorgeous. Especially when you're driving now.
Thank you. We're flying anywhere.
Keep going straight.
I don't know. Wait, cause the title of the video is like me driving, right?
Yeah.
So, just like I'm driving. charging or something. Hello? Where you at? I'm driving.
I'm on Cleveland Avenue. I was finna kind of get my face and go to school.
Oh. How far you is?
It's like 18 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, we almost done anyway.
Alright.
Yeah, pretty much almost done.
Okay. You want me to
What?
push it?
Yeah.
I'm already going like 70. It don't even, this drive's so slow.
Yeah, you don't even feel it.
Wow.
Girl, keep smiling. Go back to like the mall area. You know what's that? This great, most is great.
Yeah. I had to figure out where I was. You know, I used to live over here.
Yeah.
I know all these.
Oh, wow. What else? Tell the people about you. Say some more.
What you want to know?
I don't know, everything. So guys, we was already talking off camera most of the thing. Talking a lot.
Yeah.
I should have videotaped videotaped that part too, but I wasn't. But I wasn't thinking about it.
Right.
I was just on some regular stuff.
So, what should I say?
Tell the people how good driver, 1 out of 10, your driving skills.
Definitely a 10.
Definitely
I can
10.
definitely drive. I've never been in no accident.
Everybody who said it is a 10 been in an accident. Or at least hit something. True shit.
I've hit a curb.
Alright then, see?
A curb. That don't count though.
As soon as
like-
somebody said a 10 drive, they hit something. Or something happened.
But I've never been in any accidents. Not
jumping lane to lane. So what about that? What you think your skills on that?
3.
A 3?
Yeah. Maybe 5. Okay, halfway.
Can't be a 10 driver then. You're not a 10 driver. If that's a 3, what you can do? Just straight? That's what you telling me. You can just go straight.
I probably could, but I'd be scared.
Hop, girl. Look.
That's what you
Look.
want me to do.
Yeah.
The highway right here, though.
I know. Still hop.
Okay, so this is what you mean by this.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, I'll be doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, mess it like that. Hop.
Probably be like more. You know what I'm trying to say?
What?
You probably be doing it like faster.
Yeah, way faster. Now I be doing it on the highway. I be going crazy sometimes, but not. I don't do what they do on Instagram. That's too different crazy.
Yeah.
I don't do that one.
Yeah, they be tripping.
They be really risking everything, going in the middle of people and shit. I don't do that. I ain't never try to do that. Not going to try. Oh, please don't tell me got traffic. Look like it. Yeah, pretty good so far.
Okay, pretty good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I know, I see it.
Okay, so
Kind of look like a cop car up there. All the way down there, but still got time.
video.
Yeah, like what you think? Was this gonna be like average? You think it was just the dude gonna go fast a little bit and then that's it?
I honestly thought you was gonna hop on the highway and start pushing this one.
Do it like that?
Yeah, that's what I thought. But I like how you do it.
Yeah, I did a little bit more safer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, responsible person a little bit. I didn't just go crazy.
No, but it's cool.
Yeah.
I like driving this.
So next video, we're gonna go to Atlanta Speedway and then we're gonna go on the highway and I'm gonna be pushing it. Oh, get smoke! Come on! You letting that nigga pass you up like that. He rubbed the engine and everything.
You want me to?
Yeah, I get smoke with him. I said, oh yeah.
It's the car in front. You need to move.
Oh, jump!
No.
Oh my goodness, girl. Oh my goodness. That was a perfect jump. Boom.
Yeah, it would have been fire.
Yeah. Not risking it? Well, I see you. Safe driver a little bit. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, you look so pretty. Oh my goodness. Keep staring. Did it with that to you?
What did it do to me? Like when I pressed on the gas, I like that. It gave me adrenaline. You feel me?
It's now the turn on?
Turn on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
What's the exit 235?
I really don't know. It's just a feel for me. Everything look like this. And that's how I do it. I really don't know the numbers. I thought you was about to hop again. I was like, see, you hopped over just to hop again? Like, what the fuck?
I ain't know that car.
Yeah, everybody, her hopping skills is not good at all.
So you would have been hopping through this?
Yeah, I've been hopping through this already.
No.
Already, boom, I would have hit that and come back.
Wow.
I would have been hop out.
That's a little close.
No. It's not like what other people do. You see like that UPS trucks, they would have squeezed through that for somehow. They'll do some crazy shit. You have to press the button. So anything to tell the people before you leave? Again, her Instagram gonna be right here.
Yeah. Follow me on Instagram.
Follow her Instagram. Follow her. Pretty much. So that was it for the video. I hope y'all like, comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Alright, get in the car, hurry up for the cops come.